This morning before I go to the gym, I'm going to weed out the garden. I planted a bunch of stuff probably a month ago and it's grown like crazy. So many of you have been asking about our garden progress, so I will give you a little sneak peek. Hey Bubba. We have a bunch of stuff growing, so I have chard, I have this bad habit of planting just tons of stuff and then I don't know what anything is. I know these are radishes and I think that is parsley. I'll give you guys a closer look so maybe you can help me figure it out. I know that this is chard, so I really need to weed this out. I can't remember what this is. I'm not sure what this is either. I think it's collard greens, I think. Almost positive these are carrots. Like I said, I don't really know what all this stuff is. And I think all of these are carrots as well. And these, I think it's just a bunch of different kinds of carrots. And then I know that all of this is radish. You guys like it in the garden? And then this started growing out of nowhere. It might just be a weed, but it kind of looks like, if I had to guess, I would guess rosemary or something. It doesn't smell like anything. Maybe it's dill. I think it's a weed. Maybe this isn't radish. Oh god, I don't think it is. I think these are chives. They smell like chives. This is our Jujube tree. It's deciduous, so it has not come back yet this year, but it will. Bye-bye. And then in this garden, this is romaine. We got this romaine and this one. And we're gonna be planting a bunch more greens in here as well. And then over here we have more carrots. This is spinach. Peppermint that we planted and now it's just growing everywhere, but that's okay. Can make peppermint tea. Got some onions and that's about all that's growing in here. Hey Baba, you like gardening? Yeah?
Inside
What are you doing? Time lapse? Doing some breath work?
Mm-hmm. Doing the 4-7-8 breathing. I first got into it, or first started learning about it when I watched a documentary about freediving. And the guy was talking about breathwork a lot, and then he started doing more research and he started to learn the benefits of it. It's pretty cool stuff.
It's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Bubba, hey. You can't be in here, Tilly. You're not supposed to be in here. Just getting some kombucha. What do you guys want? I'm gonna go buy you some sweet potatoes right now, and I will cook them, and then you can have them for dinner, okay? I know. I know. Do you like sweet potatoes? Do you like sweet potatoes? Okay. Okay. You get your sweet potatoes in your bowl. There you go.
What are you making, babe?
Red curry, and I make it a really super easy way. What I do with canned coconut milk is I buy the full fat version, but then I pour it in here and just add water. So instead of buying the light coconut milk, it's like buying reduced sodium soy sauce. You're just paying for extra water, so I do that. And then we're just gonna put some vegetables in here. I'm gonna put mushrooms in mine. Derek hates mushrooms.
I do.
I just use this red curry paste, and I'll probably put some crushed red pepper in here. Boom. It's really funny because we've never actually done a what I eat in a day couples video, and I've seen so many of them, and I was just gonna vlog, but then I realized that we filmed everything that we ate today, so I was like, well, you might as well make a what I ate today video. Even though I just said I didn't want to make food videos, but this isn't like a recipe video, it's just, you know, hang out with us, see what we eat, see how we eat different, because Derek eats a little bit different than I do. He doesn't like brown rice, you know, our breakfasts were different.
We're different people.
Well, yeah, and you can make the same meal, but then kind of make it just sort of different, cater to you.
Oh, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy.